We push mowed so we could bag it. So all this was already done yesterday around the circle in the front, and of course down the front of the property as well. So we just got the side and the back over here to cut real quick. Like I said, it stormed real good, and so the ground is still a little wet. We're going to wait as long as we can, probably 4 or 5 o'clock. We only got about an hour and a half of mowing to do, so we'll wait as long as we can so it's as dry as it could possibly be before we go ahead and get on the mower. This is another part of the gig here we've got a problem with. We've got birds getting in up here. I don't know, that's a woodpecker to peck that thing apart. There was another hole up here. We took this sliding door down. Rich and Kenny, appreciate that. You get up there with my Sawzall and cut down the stop that kept the trolley from rolling, and him and Kenny got that door off. What I'm going to do is remove the tin from the 2x4 frame, and I'm going to put the tin over top of this OSB. But as you can see, it's about a 2x4 or so off the surface. So we're gonna put some 2x4 up in here, and we'll go ahead and cut that piece of tin, and we'll get it fit in here, washing off all the bird crap and what have you, and getting these rodents and varmints and animals the hell out of our building and out of our garage. Look at that. I don't like that. I don't like bees. I don't think those are stinging bees, but you know me, folks, I'm allergic to bee stings, so I freak out about all that kind of stuff. We better get inside. So that's it for Friday, 16th of May. Things are coming around. Once this is done, we'll be able to, I think even before Mid-Ohio, while the cart's in here and we're doing our sticker thing, after Patrick and Alan are gone, and we'll get this bench deal going. We're going to put some plywood on the wall so we can mount some cabinets. With all that electrical, we kind of got to get underneath it and away from it. But big, nice T-shaped bench. A lot of all this rest of this crap that's packed up and piled up all over the place will be packed underneath. I know this looks like a mess up here, but a whole bunch of that stuff has got to go. Some of it in the cabinets in the back, some of it out the door. But once we get everything settled, all the construction done in here, then we can start putting it together, because I still have not put the place together yet. I just started working. I got a bench up and just started working on things, and you know how it is. You put things off long enough, like that water pump, and it's in a box for 9 months, and the next thing you know, you got to get her done. So that's all I got for you. Peace out. Godspeed. God bless. I'm praying for you. Pray for me too. I need it. It'll get better. You know why. Jesus is coming. Hang in there, y'all. We're going to get this one running here too. We're going to play with this one before the end of the year as well.